Okay, in this sample program, we're going to demonstrate keeping a running total. So you can call this keeping a running total, accumulating a total, accumulating a sum. It's done frequently in computer science when you want to add up or total up a series of values. So in this program, we have day as a variable that's going to keep track of each day as we go through our while loop. Number of days is the number of days we're going to process a total for. And then we've got a daily sales, which is a sales amount for a single day. And this is the thing here, total sales, assign the value of 0. This is what we're going to use to accumulate the total. So every time through the loop, we're going to add the new daily sales amount to this. And it's very important when you're doing this that it's initialized to 0. So you have to start at 0 because in the very first step we're going to add something to total sales. So that's why it's important. So we ask the user, how many days do you have sales figures for? And we read that in number of days. So this is kind of our loop counter. This is going to be the first day. So as long as day is less than or equal to the number of days entered by the user, we're going to ask them to enter the sales for the day, and this is the statement which is going to accumulate the total. It's going to take these daily sales, so let's say on the first day the daily sales is 100, and it'll add it into the total sales. Now remember, we started the total sales at 0, so this is going to be 0 plus 100 will be stored back in total sales. We increment day to 1, and then we go back through our while loop, or data 2, I'm sorry, and go back through our while loop. So when the day is 2, it'll say enter the sales for the day. So if I say 200, it's going to add that into total sales. If total sales was 100, then it'll add 200 in, and total sales will become 300. So that's how you accumulate the sum. It's really it happens the same way all the time. You come up with a variable, right? Initialize the variable to 0, and then use the plus equal operator to keep updating it with the new figure. So let me run this. Okay, I'll say 5 days I have. Enter the sales for day 1. Let's just say we'll use some easy numbers, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and the total sales is 1,500, which should be right, 9, 12, 1,500. Yep, that's correct.